In this lesson, we are going to take a look at the administrator and the front end of the site. So let's click first on the admin. Now, when you click on the admin, it's going to ask you for your username, which is showing you right here, and then the password, whatever password that you used when you created this. So click on administrator. And from here, you want to put in your username and the password you used to create it. Okay, so when you get here, you're going to get something like this. Okay, if this is a fresh install, then you have this. And you can see update, it's showing you some updates. It's showing you Joomla 3.913 is needs to be updated to that. So you want to click here. First, click on view update. So you want to see what type of update that you have, because it's important for you to understand what's there. So simple portfolio, that's an extension that comes with it, which I'm going to cover later on. So you don't need to worry about that for now. Click on the system and go back to control panel. So now you have this Joomla version that's available to update. So since SP Page Builder doesn't have any extra updates on there, then you can do this. But typically, before you update your Joomla site, you have to make sure that you update all your extensions so that when you update it, it's not going to be a compatibility issue. So let's click here to update. And you get this message. So it's showing you the version that you have installed and the version that is the latest one. You can also download this update package here if you're having problems, installing it this way. So where there's a drop down here, don't change anything. Just click on install the update. And you get this message, Joomla version update status, and you see that it's been updated to the very latest. And at the very bottom here, you can verify that as well. So the version at the bottom here should match the version at the very top. So that is how you update it. Next, we're going to take a look at the back end and the front end.